गुड मॉर्निंग, कैसे हैं आप लोग? बोलो रे बाबा, हाउ आर यू? हाउ आर यू? So those who are coming first time for my class, let me introduce myself, then we will go forward and we will discuss the beautiful Jhamajham classes, Jhamajham concept basically. So myself, Devendra Singh Negi, GATE All India Rank 1, 2019-2020 in Engineering Sciences paper. I completed my MTech from IIT Bombay. I'm teaching for GATE and ESC since 8 years. The subject which I'm teaching are thermodynamics, applications of thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, hydraulic machines and heat transfer. aa jao re baba, aa jao re baba, aa jao re baba. If you are not aware of my Unacademy profile, let me tell you, I'm the ranked 9th educator on Unacademy Plus. I'm the ranked 9th educator on Unacademy Plus, having more than 2 million watch minutes, having more than 3,000 followers, and having more than 1,000 dedications. Having more than 1,000 dedications. aa jao re baba, jaldi se aa jao, jaldi se aa jao, jaldi se aa jao. So my friends, if you are planning to join Unacademy Plus subscription, you can WhatsApp me on this number 8292244719. I will be more than happy to guide you. If you are planning to prepare for GATE exam, GATE 2021 or GATE 2022, you can ping me, you can ask me how to start the preparation. I will be more than happy to tell you the guidance. Okay, now those who are in third semester, for them we are starting the explore batch. We are starting one more batch. Which is the foundation batch, basically beginners batch. For the third semester students, I will be taking the fluid mechanics and one more subject, strength of material, will be going on 8 to 9:30. Strength of materials will be going on, then 10 to 11:30 your fluid mechanics will be going on. So if you are interested for GATE exam, if you want to crack some good GATE rank, you are in second year and you want to get some good rank in GATE 2022, definitely you should join Unacademy Plus, this explore batch, or you can join the beginners batch. Now the next thing, for fifth semester students, I'm going to start heat transfer in the month of August. So those who are in fifth semester, they are going to write their GATE exam, first GATE exam in 2021, because according to new notification of GATE 2021, third years are also eligible to write the GATE exam. तो आप जो थर्ड ईयर्स में हैं, आप अपना एग्जाम जल्दी ही लिखने वाले हैं 6 महीने के बाद 2021 में. So you should join Unacademy Plus as soon as possible so that you can start your preparation अगर आपने अभी तक join नहीं किया. And those who are in final year students or those who are passed out, I hope you must have joined till now. अगर नहीं किया तो आप कर सकते हैं. There is only one code for you people. आप लोगों के लिए सिर्फ एक ही कोड है. अरे बाबा, what is the code? बोलो रे बाबा, what is the code? Code is NEGI10. NEGI10 you can use and you can join Unacademy Plus. चलिए, shall we start the class? बोलो रे बाबा, shall we start the class? बोलो रे बाबा, shall we start the class? Now in this class I'm going to discuss types of equilibrium. In this class I will be discussing the types of equilibrium, then I will be discussing one concept. We will be having some discussion. Basically we'll be having some discussion for completely submerged body, unconstrained completely submerged body, and then I will be discussing one beautiful concept for you people, where I will be discussing the rotational stability of unconstrained completely submerged body. Chaliye, so there are three types of equilibrium: stable equilibrium, unstable equilibrium and neutral equilibrium. चलिए समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. Let us try to understand what is the meaning of stable equilibrium. Let us try to understand what is the meaning of stable equilibrium. ये जो stable equilibrium होता है, इसका क्या मतलब होता है? चलिए देखिए, let us suppose I'm having a surface like this. मान लीजिए मेरे पास एक surface है जो कि कुछ इस तरीके की है. Let us suppose I'm having a surface like this. Let me say I was having a ball, steel ball, which was here. Let us suppose I'm having a steel ball which is kept here. लड्डू, ओहो, लड्डू के बहुत चाहने वाले हैं यार बाबा. Now let us suppose I'm giving some external disturbance and now this ball came up to here. I have given some external disturbance and let us suppose the ball came up to here. Now listen carefully, Sanjay Sanju. Now listen carefully, beta. Let us suppose I'm removing this external disturbance. If I'm removing this external disturbance, what will happen? Maybe this ball will oscillate and finally this ball will come to the initial position only. Can I say finally the ball will come to the original position only? Can I say finally the ball will come to the original position? This is known as stable equilibrium. On giving a small external disturbance, when I'm giving a small external disturbance, if the ball returns to original position, then the ball is in stable equilibrium. I'm asking you one more question. Listen carefully. Let us suppose the surface is like this. Let us suppose the surface is like this. मान लीजिए surface आपका कुछ इस तरीके से है. Let us suppose the surface is like this. Let us suppose I am giving some external disturbance, and we are reaching up to here. Now my question is very simple. What do you think? Can I say the moment I will be removing this external disturbance, the ball will come to the original position only? Can I say the ball will be coming to the original position only? Now my question is very simple. My question is very simple. What do you think? In this case, the ball is in stable equilibrium. Can I say the ball is in both cases? There is no doubt. In both cases, the ball is in stable equilibrium. Here also, if you see, the ball is in stable equilibrium. If you see here also the ball is in stable equilibrium. Both places, the ball is in stable equilibrium. Now, in which case I am having the more stable equilibrium? In which case I am having the less stable equilibrium? So देखो, suppose this is case 1, suppose this is case 1, suppose this is case 2. In which case the ball will return to the original position as soon as possible? किस case में ball original position में आ जाएगी as soon as possible? In first case or second case? 100% your common sense is saying in second case, yes. In second case, the ball will come to the original position as soon as possible. So 100%. Here I am having more stable equilibrium. Here I am having more stable equilibrium, and here I am having stable equilibrium but less stable equilibrium. I hope you are able to understand what I'm saying. I hope you are able to understand what I'm saying. In second case, I'm having more stable equilibrium. The ball is coming to the original position as soon as possible. But in first case, if you see, the ball will be taking some time to come to the original position. Let us go to the next variety, unstable equilibrium. Unstable equilibrium. देखो, let us suppose I am having the surface like this. Let us suppose I am having the surface like this. Now let us suppose the ball is here. Let us suppose the ball is here on the top. Ball is here on the top. Let us suppose the ball is here on the top. Now listen carefully. Let us suppose I am giving some external disturbance to the ball. Let us suppose I am giving some external disturbance to this ball. Can you tell me, if I am giving this external disturbance to the ball, what is going to happen? What is going to happen? Anyone in the class? Do you think it will return to the original position? देखो, मैंने इसको यहां ले गया, external disturbance दिया, यहां ले गया. Now if I remove this external disturbance, do you think the ball will return to the original position? Arey, I have applied some external disturbance. The ball was earlier here. I have applied the external disturbance. Now the ball is here. I'm saying the moment I'm removing the external disturbance, what do you think? Do you think the ball will be returning to the original position? No, impossible. Ball will not return to the original position. There is no doubt. And this is known as what? This is known as what? If the ball is not returning to the original position, this is known as what? Is unstable equilibrium. This is known as what? Unstable equilibrium. I hope everyone is clear till here. I hope everyone is clear till here. यहाँ तक आपको समझ में आ गया बेटा? What is the meaning of stable equilibrium? What is the meaning of unstable equilibrium? आपको समझ में आ गया? बोलो रे बाबा, टाइप इन चैट बॉक्स if you are clear. झमाझम clear रे बाबा, झमाझम clear sir, झमाझम clear. I hope everyone is clear till here. What is the meaning of stable equilibrium? What is the meaning of unstable equilibrium? If the body is returning to its original position after removing the external disturbance, I will be calling it in stable equilibrium. But the moment I am removing the external disturbance and the ball is not coming to the original position, I will be calling it unstable equilibrium. झमाझम clear. Now the next case, what is the meaning of neutral equilibrium? देखो ध्यान से. Let us suppose I am having a surface like this. Let us suppose I am having a surface like this. Let us suppose I am having a surface like this. Let us suppose I am having a surface like this. Now let me say on this flat surface, let us suppose I am keeping some ball. Let me say the ball was here. Let me say the ball was here. Let me say the ball was here. Now let us suppose I am giving some external disturbance. Now the ball reached here. Let me say now the ball reached here. My question is, what do you think? When I'm removing this external disturbance, ball will return to the original position. आपको क्या लगता है? When I'm removing this external disturbance, what do you think? The ball will be returning to the original position? No, never. Ball will never return to the original position. There is no doubt. But at the same time, can I say ball is stable here? Ball is stable here at new position. Ball, can I say ball is stable here at this new position? Yes, yes. That is known as neutral equilibrium. If you are applying some external disturbance, ball will not return to the original position, but at the same time, whatever the final position ball is having, whatever the new position ball is having, whatever the new location ball is having, it will be in stable. It will be stable at that new position. Then the ball is in neutral equilibrium. Yes, yes, yes. So dekho, on giving a small disturbance, if the ball doesn't return to its original position but becomes stable at new position, then the ball is in neutral equilibrium. Are you clear till here? Yes, ball will stay there only. यहां तक आपको समझ में क्लियर हो गया? आई होप एवरीवन इज क्लियर टिल हियर. यहां तक आपको समझ में आ गया? आपको यहां तक समझ में आ गया? आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर? मैं क्या बोलना चाह रहा हूं बिल्कुल ध्यान से समझेंगे बेटा, मैं क्या बोलना चाह रहा हूं. Till now what I have discussed is I have discussed the types of equilibrium. I have discussed 3 types of equilibrium: stable equilibrium, unstable equilibrium and neutral equilibrium. If you are clear till here, then we will be moving forward. So shall we move forward? If you are clear till here, then we will be moving forward beta. If you are clear till here, then we will be moving forward. Now excellent observation for unconstrained completely submerged body. Sir, what is the meaning of unconstrained? Anyone in the class? What is the meaning of unconstrained? What is the meaning of unconstrained? There is no external. Yes, yes, it is free. It is free body. It is free body. There is no external restrictions. Yes, yes, very good. Ah, wow, 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 wow. Yes, there is no external dependency. Free to move. Yes, there is no restriction. Very good beta, very good. There is no foundations. Yes, 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 excellent, excellent. Chalo, now look at here. Now look at here. Let us suppose I'm having free surface of the liquid like this. Let us suppose I'm having free surface of the liquid like this. Let us suppose this is the free surface of the liquid. Let us suppose this is the free surface of the liquid. Okay, now look at here. Video stopped. Video stop हो गया क्या? सत्यम रिफ्रेश कर लो रे बाबा. सत्यम हाँ स्टार्ट हो गया बेटा. जब भी आपका कभी वीडियो या ऑडियो लैग होता है या स्टॉप हो जाता है कहीं पर, तो आप एक बार रिफ्रेश कर लो, हो सकता है आपको दोबारा कनेक्टिविटी मिल जाए ना. लेट मी से आई एम हैविंग अ बॉडी. लेट अस सपोज आई एम हैविंग अ बॉडी and front view is like this. Let me say front view is like this. This is the front view. And let me assume for this body bottom part is heavier. Means what I'm assuming is I'm not having the homogeneous body. Let us suppose I'm not having the homogeneous body. I'm having a body. I'm having non-homogeneous body. And let me say the bottom part is having more density. Let me say the bottom part is having more density, bottom part is heavier. Now 100%, if I ask you what is this axis beta, can you tell me what is this axis beta? What is this axis? Bolo re baba, what is this axis? Anyone in the class? What is this axis? Not longitudinal, not longitudinal. Number of times I'm telling you, those who are saying longitudinal, you are not present in first class. It is not longitudinal beta. I'm saying it is front view. ध्यान से सुनो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं बेटा. This is your front view. This is your front view. It is not the longitudinal axis. This is your front view beta. This is your front view. This is not the longitudinal axis. This is your normal axis beta. This is your normal axis. This is your normal axis. I hope you are able to understand now. This is your normal axis. Now look at here. Let me say this body is having lesser density here. This upper part is having lesser density. This upper part is having lesser density. And let me say this bottom part is having higher density. Fine. More density, whatever you want to say. Now, anyone in the class, बिल्कुल ध्यान से देखेंगे बेटा, बिल्कुल ध्यान से देखेंगे. Can you tell me, look at here. Can you tell me where will be the, देखो ध्यान से. This is centroid of the body. This is centroid. Listen carefully जो मैं बोल रहा हूं बेटा. This is the centroid of the body. Where will be the center of gravity of the body? Where will be the center of gravity of the body? Below C, above C, or will it coincide with C? Yes, excellent, beautiful students. Yes, very good, my friends. I'm very happy. You are absolutely correct. The center of gravity will be lying here. below C. And from center of gravity, what will be acting, beta? From center of gravity, what will be acting? Anyone in the class? Weight of the body will be acting. Weight of the body will be acting. Excellent, excellent, very good. Anyone in the class can tell me where will be the center of buoyancy? Where will be the center of buoyancy? Center of buoyancy कहाँ पे होगा? Center of buoyancy कहाँ पे होगा? Center of buoyancy is what? Center of buoyancy is the centroid of the displaced fluid. So 100% if you see, center of buoyancy will come exactly here only. Center of buoyancy will come exactly here only. Are you clear with this? Yes, 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 yes. Center of buoyancy will be lying at the centroid of the body only. Yes. From the center of buoyancy, what will be acting, beta? From the center of buoyancy, what will be acting? Bind force. Bind force vertically upward. थोड़ा इस तरीके से बना रहा हूं कि आपको समझ में आ जाए. Bind force applied by the fluid. Yes, yes. अब ध्यान से सुनना बेटा. देखो देखो ध्यान से सुनो. ध्यान से सुनो. Listen carefully. I hope you are able to understand. This is the front view which you are seeing. This is the front view which you are seeing right now. This is the front view which you are seeing right now. है ना? देखो ध्यान से. This is which axis? बोलो which axis? Normal axis. Normal axis. अब देखो देखो I am giving the rolling disturbance. I am giving the rolling disturbance. Can I say this is the rolling disturbance? Can I say the rolling disturbance? Can I say this is the rolling disturbance? So if you see from here, ऐसा ऐसा दिख रहा होगा ना? Rolling disturbance will look like this ना? If you see about normal axis, it will look like this na? It will look like this na? हाँ. So let us suppose I have given some external. देखो ये इस तरीके से नहीं है. It is not about the axis. Don't think that it is about the normal axis. No, it is not about the normal axis. ये ऐसे वाला नहीं है. ध्यान से देखना. ये जो डिस्टर्बेंस है ये ऐसे वाला नहीं है. इसके अबाउट वाला नहीं है. ये कैसे वाला है? ये ऐसे वाला है. But when I'm showing you on screen, don't be confused. It is external. It is external rolling disturbance. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? This is your external rolling disturbance. Let me say clockwise. Let me say it is acting clockwise. यहां तक आपको समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? Are you clear till here? Are you clear till here? It is acting clockwise. हाँ, it is not acting about the normal axis. ऐसा वाला नहीं है. It is acting like this. Are you clear till here? Now listen carefully. Now listen carefully. Can I say after the external rolling disturbance, the body will be like this? अगर आप ध्यान से देखेंगे तो क्या मैं बोल सकता हूं? If you see carefully, can I say the body will be like this? Can I say the body will be like this? Can I say the body will be like this? This is your normal axis. This is your normal axis. This is your normal axis. Correct na? Arey, I have given some disturbance. Look at here. I have given some disturbance. Now the body is like this. So normal axis is this one na? ऐसे ऐसे देख लो. ऐसे हो गया ना? ऐसे हो गया ना? Are you getting? Yes. Are you getting what I'm saying? Earlier it was like this. ठीक है? हाँ. समझ में आया ना बेटा क्या बोल रहा हूं? Like this. अरे देखो पहले ऐसे था. I have given clockwise disturbance. So now the axis is like this. Is it clear? Is it clear? बोलो रे बाबा. Yes. Yes. The normal axis is like this only. Now my question is, it is the same body. It is the same body, beta. Your concepts will be crystal clear. That is my responsibility. Your concepts, I will make sure they are crystal clear. That is my responsibility, beta. I have sent you one video. कितने लोगों ने देखा वो वीडियो? मैंने इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस का वीडियो भेजा था. Did you see it? Did you watch it? हाँ, कंप्लीट करो उसको, कंप्लीट करो. यस यस यस, कंप्लीट इट, कंप्लीट इट. ओके ओके, ठीक है, ठीक है, कंप्लीट कीजिए. नेगी 10 टेलीग्राम चैनल, भाव्या नेगी 10 टेलीग्राम चैनल. आफ्टर दिस वीडियो यू सी इट. ओके बेटा, ओके फाइन. नाउ आई एम आस्किंग यू वन वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. वेयर विल बी द सेंट्रॉइड ऑफ द बॉडी? कैन आई से इट विल बी हियर ओनली? ध्यान से सुनना. लिसन केयरफुली व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग. लेट मी से this is capital H. Let me say this height of the body is capital H. That means this will be capital H only. That means this will be capital H only. That means this will be capital H only. ये आपका capital H ही होगा. Now where is the centroid earlier? From the bottom, capital H by 2. Now where will be the centroid? Can I say from the bottom, capital H by 2? Here only. Do you think the position of centroid of the body on the normal axis is changing? Do you think the position of centroid on the normal axis is changing? Bolo re baba. Do you think the position of the centroid on the normal axis is changing? Bolo re baba. Dharni very good. Sai Venkat very good. Divyas very good. Akshay very good beta. Yes yes. Milan, Mukesh, Sanjay, Manish, Mitlesh, Vamsi very good beta. No 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 no. On the normal axis the position of the centroid of the body is not changing. Acha. What do you think? The position of the center of gravity of the body will change? What do you think? The position of the center of gravity of the body will change on the normal axis? No, the position of the center of gravity will not change on the normal axis. No, no, no. And very good, very good. Now, from the center of gravity, what will be acting? From the center of gravity, what will be acting? Weight of the body. Weight of the body will be acting in which direction? Weight of the body will be acting in which direction? Bolo re baba, bolo re baba. Weight of the body will be acting in which direction? Excellent, excellent. So can I say like this? Can I say like this? Can I say like this? This is the direction of the weight of the body. Can I say this is the direction of weight of the body? Can I say this is the direction of weight of the body? No, 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 no. This is wrong. This is wrong. Direction of the weight of the body will be vertically downward. So don't say just downward. Say vertically downward. Say vertically downward. Don't just say downward. Vertically downward. Now, anyone in the class, where will be the center of buoyancy? Where will be the center of buoyancy? Bolo re baba, bolo re baba. Where will be your center of buoyancy? Where will be your center of buoyancy? Center of buoyancy will be here. Center of buoyancy will be here. Center of buoyancy will be here. Excellent, excellent. Center of buoyancy will be here. From the center of buoyancy, what will be acting? From the center of buoyancy, what will be acting? Bolo re baba, bolo re baba. Yes, from the center of buoyancy, 100%, there is no doubt. Buoyant force will be acting vertically upward. यहाँ तो बना सकते हैं, तो ऐसे ही बना देता हूँ. Excellent. So can I give one beautiful conclusion to you people? क्या मैं आपको एक ऐसा beautiful conclusion दे सकता हूं बेटा? क्या मैं ऐसा बोल सकता हूं? Can I say this conclusion? If I am having some unconstrained completely submerged body, if I am having some unconstrained completely submerged body, then on giving external rolling disturbance, the position of center of gravity of the body, the position of center of buoyancy will not change on normal axis, will not change on normal axis, will not change in normal axis. Are you clear till here? Bolo re baba, are you clear here? Are Nagasai unconstrained means there is no external force, there is no external force, there is no external restriction, there is no hanging. Sir, what is the meaning of unconstrained? Are baba, I have asked earlier, sir, why B is not changing? B is not changing because look at here. If I'm tilting it, can you observe? Whatever the liquid is displaced by this part, same liquid is displaced by this right part also. Whatever the liquid is displaced by this left part, same liquid is displaced by this right part also. So that's why it will remain here only. Earlier also same thing is happening now. Left part and right part they are displacing the equal amount of the liquid. So my center of buoyancy is here. Here also same thing. Left part and right part are displacing the equal volume of the liquid. That's why I'm getting the centroid here. If by chance one part is displacing extra volume, then the centroid of the displaced fluid will be shifting towards the higher volume side, and your center of buoyancy location will change, and then your center of buoyancy location will change. Are you clear till here? Are you clear till here? बोलो रे बाबा, are you clear till here? यहां तक सबको क्लियर हो गया? Yes, yes, yes. We will see, Hari. We will see. पहले यहां बताओ, यहां तक सबको क्लियर हो गया? Are you clear with this conclusion? For a completely submerged body, on giving a small rotational disturbance about longitudinal axis, the position of center of gravity of the body and center of buoyancy doesn't changes on normal axis. Are you clear till here? Chalo. Now listen carefully. I am putting the next heading. Please read this heading carefully. Rotational stability. Rotational stability of unconstrained completely submerged body. Rotational stability of unconstrained completely submerged body. Remember what I'm checking the rotational stability. I'm not checking the vertical stability. I'm checking the rotational stability. देखो last slide. Seerat, what happened? अरे इस तरीके से दे दिया भैया, ये देखो अबाउट लॉन्गिट्यूडनल एक्सिस. एक्सिस के अबाउट दिया है बेटा, रोटेशन एक्सिस के अबाउट दिया है. ओके, नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड? इफ द बॉडी इज लाइक दिस, ऑलरेडी बॉडी इज इन वर्टिकल इक्विलिब्रियम. बॉडी ऑलरेडी वर्टिकल इक्विलिब्रियम में है, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. बॉडी इज ऑलरेडी इन वर्टिकल इक्विलिब्रियम. WB is equal to FB. Body is already in vertical equilibrium. उसकी चिंता नहीं करनी है. Body is already in vertical equilibrium. Body is neither moving downward or nor upward. Body is neither moving downward nor upward. I am checking the rotational stability. So in rotational stability, when I am checking, there can be three cases. One case is, first case is this G lies below B. First case is G lies below B. What will be the second case? G lies below B is the first case. Then the second case will be G lies above B. What will be the third case? G and B are coinciding with each other. Hello. Case 1. I am taking case 1. Please observe. What is the case 1? G lies below B. अब ध्यान से देखना बेटा. This is your tilted normal axis. Here is your G. Here is your B. Now look at here. From G, what is acting? Weight of the body. From B, what is acting? Bind force. Now, first of all, 100% both of them are equal. Weight of the body is equal to bind force. There is no doubt. Weight of the body is equal to what? Bind force. So I am having two equal forces. Are you able to understand? There is some vertical distance between these two forces line of action. And I say there is some vertical distance between line of action of these two forces. Let me say this is X. So can you observe these forces will be forming a couple? Array, this is acting in downward direction, this is acting in vertically upward direction, and there is some vertical distance between their line of actions. Can I say they will be they will be forming some couple? Can you tell me what will be the direction of couple? What will be the direction of couple? What will be the direction of couple? What will be the array? Look at here, look at here, look at here. It is trying to move downward, it is trying to move upward. So couple kaisa lag raha hoga? Couple will be in this direction, couple will be in this direction, anti-clockwise. Yes, yes, yes. So the couple which is acting is acting in anti-clockwise direction. Now you tell me, this couple is trying, this couple is trying to restore the position or to disturb the original position? Anti-clockwise couple. This couple is trying to restore the original position, or it is trying to deviate farther away from the original position? It is trying to restore. It is trying to restore. That's why this couple is also known as restoring couple. That's why this couple is also known as what? Restoring couple. It is also known as what? Restoring couple. Now you tell me one thing. Now you tell me one thing. Due to this restoring couple, what will happen? Can I say body will be able to gain the original position? Can I say? Look at here. The disturbance was clockwise. The disturbance was clockwise. Disturbance was clockwise. But the restoring couple, the couple which is acting because of this weight of the body and bind force, it is anti-clockwise. So can I say this couple is a restoring couple? It is trying to restore the original position. Hence the body will be in which equilibrium? Hence the body will be in which equilibrium? Hence the body will be in which equilibrium? Bolo re baba, bolo re baba. Body will be in which equilibrium? Body will be in stable equilibrium. The body will be in stable equilibrium. Now look at here. Look at here. I will be discussing one more case. I will be discussing one more case. I will be discussing one more case. Case 2. Case 2. Let us suppose G lies above B. Let us suppose G lies above B. तब क्या होगा? अगर G B के ऊपर है तब क्या होगा? What will happen if G lies above B? What is going to happen? Anyone in the class? Let us suppose this is your normal axis. Now look at here. Let me say your G is somewhere here. Let us suppose your G is somewhere here. And let me say, very good, excellent. Let me say your center of buoyancy is somewhere here. So look at here, from the G, what will be acting? Anyone in the class? From the G, what will be acting? Weight of the body, weight of the body, weight of the body. Excellent, weight of the body. From B, what will be acting? From B, what will be acting, beta? From B, what will be acting, beta? Vertically upward. Vertically upward, what will be acting? The bind force, bind force, bind force. Anyone in the class? Anyone in the class can tell me? There is some perpendicular distance. There is some perpendicular distance. There is some perpendicular distance. Let me say this perpendicular distance is X. Do you think there will be some couple formed? Are two equal and opposite forces I am having? Can I say there will be some couple formed? Yes, 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 yes. There will be some couple. There will be some couple. What will be the direction of couple? It is acting vertically upward. It is acting vertically downward. So it is applying a couple which is in this direction, clockwise, clockwise couple, clockwise couple. So I am getting a couple which is clockwise, which is clockwise. Oh my God, oh my God. So this clockwise couple is trying to restore the original position, or is it trying to move the body away from the original position? It is trying to move the body away from the original position. So such couple is known as overturning couple. Yes, such couple is known as what? Overturning. Overturning. It is trying to overturn the body. Overturning couple, or you can say this is bad couple. This is bad couple. This is bad couple. Disturbing couple. Disturbing couple. This is known as what? Overturning couple or disturbing couple. I hope everyone is clear with this. I hope everyone is clear with this. So tell me, the body will be, yes, it is illegal couple, illegal couple. Now tell me, the body will be in which equilibrium? Body kaun se equilibrium mein hogi re baba? The body will be in which equilibrium? The body will be in which equilibrium? Bolo re baba, bolo re baba. Body will be in which equilibrium? The body will be in unstable equilibrium. The body will be in unstable equilibrium. The body will be in unstable equilibrium. Excellent, excellent, my friends, excellent. Are you clear till here? Yes, डाइवोर्स कर देते हैं, डाइवोर्स कर देते हैं. चलो, यहां तक आपको समझ में आ गया, यहां तक आपको समझ में आ गया. आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर? आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर? Yes, yes, yes. Shall we go for the next case? Shall we go for the next case? What is the next case? Anyone in the class? What is the next case? Case 3, case 3, case 3. बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा. What is case 3? What is case 3? What is case 3? बोलो रे बाबा. What is case 3? Clear, झमाझम clear. Yes, yes. G coincides B. G is going to coincide with B. G is coinciding with B. Now what will happen? Look at here. Let me say this is the normal axis. Let me say this is the tilted normal axis after applying the external disturbance. Now look at here. Let me say this is your center of gravity of the body. This is your center of gravity of the body. And I'm saying, let me say here, you are having center of buoyancy also. So what will happen from the center of gravity? What will be acting? Weight will be acting. Weight will be acting. Weight will be acting vertically downward. Vertically downward. Weight will be acting vertically downward. What will happen next? From here, what will be acting? 100% bind force will be acting. 100% bind force will be acting. Oh my God! Oh my God! Forces are equal and opposite, no problem. But what is the distance between them? What is the distance between them? Can you tell me what is the distance between the line of actions? What is the distance between the line of action of these two forces? Can you tell me? The distance is 0. Distance is 0. So what will be the couple? Couple will be 0. Couple will be what? 0. There will be no couple, no couple, no couple. 0, 0, 0. So the body will be in equilibrium here itself. Body will not move to any direction. It will be staying at equilibrium at this new position only. ये सिंगल वाले हैं रे बाबा, ये सिंगल वाले हैं रे बाबा. जहां छोड़ दो वहां सेट हो गए, जहां छोड़ दो वहां सेट हो गए, जहां छोड़ दो वहां सेट हो गए. So this equilibrium is known as what? This equilibrium is known as what? बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा. This is known as what? This is known as what? Neutral equilibrium. Neutral equilibrium. So I hope everyone is clear with this. Yes, yes. So you are having 3 varieties: good couple, bad couple, and single. हाँ, सिंगुलम, 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 सिंगुलम. देखो गुड कपल कौन है? गुड कपल ये है, गुड कपल ये है, गुड कपल ये है. हस्बैंड को किसी ने टिल्ट कर दिया, हस्बैंड को किसी ने टिल्ट कर दिया, किसी ने एक्सटर्नल फोर्स से हस्बैंड को टिल्ट कर दिया, गलत रास्ते पर ले गया रे बाबा, गलत रास्ते पे ले गया. वाइफ, व्हाट वाइफ इज ट्राइंग टू डू? Wife is trying to restore the original position of the husband. Wife is trying to do what wife is trying to do? She is trying to restore the original position of the husband. So कोशिश हो रही है. Good couple, restoring couple. Yes, restoring couple. लेकिन दूसरे केस में क्या है? Oh, such a bad couple. Oh my God. हस्बैंड को गलत रास्ते पर ले गए कुछ लोग एक्सटर्नल डिस्टर्बेंस देकर. अब वाइफ बोल रही है अब आप गलत रास्ते पर आ गए हो तो कंटिन्यू करो. सच अ बैड वाइफ. हस्बैंड गलत रास्ते पर चल रहा है, वाइफ बोल रही है और दौड़ो. हाँ, वाइफ ने बोला नहीं, अब जाओ. हाँ. सो बैड कपल, अनस्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम. और ये तो हो आप लोग. दिस इज यू पीपल. जहां छोड़ दो वहीं सवेरा. एक्सटर्नल डिस्टर्बेंस दे दिया, हमको इस रास्ते पे छोड़ दिया, हम तो यहीं बैठ जाएंगे, हम तो आगे कहीं नहीं जाएंगे, हम तो ना तो वापस आएंगे, ना इधर जाएंगे ना उधर जाएंगे. आप तो हमें यहीं छोड़ दो, हम तो यहीं शिव जी के भक्त बनकर बैठ जाएंगे, हम तो यहीं शिव के भक्त बनकर बैठ जाएंगे. बम बोले, नारायण. हो गया, हम लोग का तो यही काम खत्म. हाँ, ऐसा है. यस, जय हर हर महादेव. बस यही. हाँ, यही सही है. अब यहां पर कुछ मिल जाए तो गर्लफ्रेंड कपल इज बैड कपल. बजरंग दल वाले हैं. महाकाल के भक्त हैं. ओके, तो याद रखो, if you are having the completely submerged body and if you want to have the stable equilibrium, if you want to have the good wife, make sure आपकी जो भारी भरकम चीजें हैं वो नीचे की तरफ हैं. If you want to have the good wife, अरे बहुत कॉन्सेप्चुअल चीज बोल रहा हूं. if you want to have the stable equilibrium, if you want to have the stable equilibrium, if you want to have restoring couple, then makes your G lies below B. That means भारी चीजें नीचे होनी चाहिए, भारी चीजें नीचे होनी चाहिए, भारी चीजें नीचे होनी चाहिए. Can you give me the example of completely submerged body? Can you give me the example of completely submerged body? कोई मुझे example दे सकता है completely submerged body का? Anyone in the class can give me the example of completely submerged body? Submarines, submarines. वैसे तो बहुत concepts होते हैं, but मैं आपको एक overview दे रहा हूँ. There are so many things in the analysis, but I'm giving you one small concept. I'm giving you one small concept. Please listen carefully. I'm giving you one small concept. Please look at here. Look at here. Let me say this is the free surface of the water, and let me say I'm having some submarine. I'm having some submarine. Now you must have observed what we are trying to do is we are trying to keep the G below B. हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि G जो रहे सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी ऑफ द बॉडी मस्ट लाई बिलो सेंटर ऑफ बाउंसी. तो हम क्या करते हैं बेटा, व्हाट आर वी ट्राइंग, वी आर कीपिंग द हैवी इंजन्स, जो भी हैवी इंजन पार्ट्स होते हैं, वट एवर द हैवी इंजन पार्ट्स आर देयर, वी विल बी कीपिंग इन द बॉटम हाफ. इसको दो हिस्सों में बांट लो. लेट सपोज दीज आर द टू हाफ्स, लेट सपोज दीज आर द टू हाफ्स. Then what I'm saying is try to understand in the bottom half, we will be keeping all the engine parts so that heavier parts will be at the bottom and the G will be lying below B. इसके अलावा और भी क्या करते हैं हम लोग, जो भी कैबिन क्रूज होते हैं, जो भी क्रू मेंबर्स होते हैं, जो भी कैबिन क्रू मेंबर्स होते हैं, उनके सोने वोने के लिए जो भी बनाते हैं वो भी यहीं पर ही बॉटम पार्ट पर बनाते हैं. वो भी सोने के लिए बेड्स वगैरह, जो भी उनका रेस्ट रूम वगैरह होता है, वो भी आपका बॉटम पार्ट में ही होता है, ताकि बॉटम पार्ट हैवियर रहे और आपका सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी विल बी लाइंग बिलो बी. इज इट क्लियर? लुक्स लाइक एग. अरे बाबा ये मान लो रे बाबा, यू आर इंजीनियर्स रे बाबा, यू आर इंजीनियर्स. What a beautiful concept, what a झमाझम concept. Are you getting what I'm saying रे बाबा? Are you getting what I'm saying? तो देखो बहुत, ओ माय गॉड, ओ माय गॉड, ओ माय गॉड, यस 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 यस. काफी कुछ और भी कॉन्सेप्ट है, पानी को अंदर लाना, पानी को बाहर फेंकना, वो भी काफी कॉन्सेप्ट हैं, बट मैं उनके में आई एम नॉट गोइंग इन दैट मच डिटेल. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू सम आइडिया हाउ पीपल आर मेकिंग द बॉटम पार्ट हैवियर, how they are making sure G will be lying below B by putting the heavy things at the bottom part. हाँ यार वो अलग है भाव, that's what I'm saying भाविया. If we want to discuss, we can discuss so many things. तो उस पे नहीं जा रहा हूँ, वो हीविंग कैसे करता है, वो ये कैसे करता है, वैसे करता है, उस पे मैं डिस्कस नहीं कर रहा हूँ, because that is not our business right now. We are not discussing that part. उसमें काफी इंजन पार्ट्स वगैरह भी होते हैं ना, तो उन सब से होता है कंट्रोल वगैरह, but I'm not discussing that thing. I'm just telling you one part. In order to make sure that G is lying below B, we are making the bottom part heavier, and for that we are keeping the engine part and we are having cabin crews in the bottom part. तो अभी हम लोगों ने क्या क्या सीख लिया? Yes, yes, Hari, you can predict. Why not? Why not? Are you not learning? Are you not learning strength of materials? Are you not learning strength of materials? Then you should not ask. In engineering mechanics and strength of materials, your mechanic solids, your sir will be telling you. Now you got it. Now listen carefully, my friends. One beautiful concept I have given you today. You remember when we came in the morning, what I discussed? I have discussed the concept of what? I have discussed the concept of what? I have discussed the concept of loss of weight, apparent weight, actual weight. I have told you, if a body is completely submerged in air, whatever the reading of the tensiometer I will be having, that is equal to real weight, actual weight. But if the same body is completely submerged in some liquid, the reading of the tensiometer will decrease and it will be showing the apparent weight. That means apparent weight will be equal to real weight minus what? Loss of weight. Can you tell me what is the loss of weight? Can you tell me what is the loss of weight? Anyone in the class, any intelligent student of the class can tell me what is the loss of weight, re baba? What is the loss of weight? Bolo re baba. Yes, the bind force exerted by the liquid is basically representing the loss of weight. Then we have seen what? All the three axes. Do you remember? We have seen all the three axes: longitudinal axis, lateral axis, and normal axis. Anyone in the class, what is the oscillation about longitudinal axis is known as? If I'm having the oscillations about longitudinal axis, then it is known as what? It is known, bolo re baba, I want everyone to tell. Yes, it is known as rolling axis. It is known as rolling axis. It is known as rolling axis. Now if I'm having oscillations about lateral axis, then that oscillation is known as what? Pitching. Which one is more dangerous? Which one is more dangerous? Which one is more dangerous, rolling or pitching? Which one is more dangerous, rolling or pitching? Bolo re baba, which one is more dangerous, rolling or pitching? Rolling or pitching? Yes, rolling is more dangerous. What is the reason? What is the reason? What is the reason why rolling is more dangerous? Why? What is the reason? What is the reason why rolling is more dangerous? Bolo re baba, bolo re baba. Why the rolling is more dangerous? Yes, because we are having less area moment of inertia. We are having the less area moment of inertia about the longitudinal axis or rolling axis. That is the reason why rolling is more dangerous. So whatever the rotational stability analysis we are doing for rolling only. We are doing for the rolling only. Then we have seen one beautiful observation also. If I'm having some completely submerged body, what was your observation? What was your observation for completely submerged body? If I'm giving the external disturbance, what will happen? The position of center of gravity and center of buoyancy will not change on normal axis. Yes, G and B remain same. Yes, G and B remain same. What a beauty. अरे आप तो आज सब कुछ सीख गए रे बाबा, आप सब कुछ सीख गए. Now listen carefully. Then I have discussed the rotational stability various cases. If G lies below B, then the completely submerged body will be in stable equilibrium. And if G lies above B, then the body will be in unstable equilibrium. Bad wife. बोल रही है जाओ और जाओ. But if you are bachelor, G and B coincides, then the body will be in what? Neutral equilibrium. अमित मुझे एक बार मैसेज कर देना. बिल्कुल एनफ नहीं है एक्सी के लिए. इट इज नॉट एनफ. If you are looking for good rank, it won't be enough for XC. There are few more topics. Chalo, now listen carefully. I have to discuss few more things. I don't know whether shall I continue or not. I have to discuss observation for floating body. I have to discuss the concept of meta center. What is meta center? किसी को पता है meta center क्या होता है रे बाबा? What is meta center? बोलो रे बाबा. What is meta center? Meta center क्या होता है? So I am going to discuss the meta center in the next lecture. In the next lecture, I will be discussing the meta center. I will be discussing the rotational stability of the floating body also. There the center of buoyancy will not come into the picture. There the meta center will come into the picture. And what is the meaning of metacentric height? अच्छा सर, मेटा सेंटर सुनते धुआं उड़ जाता है. और आज देख लेना, सब क्लियर कर देंगे. Everything will be clear. You attend one class of mine, everything will be clear. क्या बात कर दी यार, ऐसे कैसे धुआं उड़ जाएगा? You are Negi soldiers. I will make sure you are understanding each and everything. Yes, we want derivation. I will give you the derivation, re baba. Bhavya, I will be giving you the derivation. Why are you worrying? I will be giving the derivation also. Don't worry. Everything I told you clearly. Your fluid mechanics is my responsibility. जब एक बार आपने ट्रस्ट कर लिया, मेरे ऊपर छोड़ दो. Once you have trusted me, leave it on me. I will make sure you are getting each and everything. और सुनो, आप लोगों के लिए आज एक और चीज हो रहा है. We are bringing our expert panel. हम लोग आज एक एक्सपर्ट पैनल लेकर आ रहे हैं at 6 PM on our YouTube channel. What is the YouTube channel? किसी को पता है बेटा? At 6 PM on our YouTube channel. देखो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Please don't miss it. On our YouTube channel, Unacademy, Gate ME, PI, XE. What will happen? Beautiful panel is coming. In panel, I will be there. Gate AIR 1 2019 and 2020 engineering sciences paper. Ankit Goyal sir will be there. Gate AIR 1 2014 and 2018 double E. Vishal Soni sir will be there. Vishal Soni sir will be there. Ex-IS officer. Ex-IS officer. Gate rank is, I don't remember the exact gate rank, but gate rank is below 50 only. Below 50 only. Then Biswadeep sir will be there. He is also gate ranker. Then Abhishek sir will be there. And the beauty is, this event will be telecasted on 5 YouTube channels. This event will be telecasted on 5 YouTube channel. 5 YouTube channel. 5 YouTube channel. Okay? Okay? हाँ. एजेंडा ये होगा कि प्रिपेयर कैसे करना है आप लोगों को गेट के लिए. हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर फॉर गेट एग्जाम फ्रॉम हियर ऑनवर्ड्स. आपकी क्या स्ट्रेटेजी रहनी चाहिए, क्या क्या चेंजेस हुए हैं, उसके लिए आपको अपने आप को कैसे तैयार करना है. ओके ओके. फॉर बोथ थर्ड एंड फाइनल ईयर. Then on the same YouTube channel, I will be coming again alone for you people, 10 p.m. and I will be discussing the Jhamajham 6-month strategy for preparing GATE 2021. I am going to discuss Jhamajham 6-month strategy. Jhamajham 6-month strategy for GATE 2021. For GATE 2021. अब आया ना मजा. Yes. So I will be telling you the Jhamajham 6-month strategy for GATE 2021, 10 p.m. Best Sunday. Okay. Yes. Very good, beta. Maja. Excellent. Yes. Very good. Now, you know, today is not the normal Sunday. आपको पता है, today is not the normal Sunday. Today is the Jhamajham Fluidy Sunday 2.0. 26th of July is Jhamajham Fluidy Sunday 2.0. Because I'm conducting number of classes for you people. You see here, it is over. Now this is very important. Please don't miss this class. Because here I'm going to discuss very important concept. I will be discussing the concept of meta center. I will be discussing the concept of metacentric height. तो इसको आपको मिस नहीं करना है. You should not miss this. I have sent you one link of the video in your Negi 10 Telegram channel. Kindly see that video before coming this. Thank you so much, Ramchandra. Thank you so much, beta. Thank you so much. Now, look at here. 8292244719. This is my WhatsApp number. For any query, you can contact me over here. For any kind of query, you can contact me over here. Sir, how to prepare for GATE? How to prepare for GATE 2021? How to prepare for GATE 2022? Sir, I'm in second year. What should be my strategy? Sir, I'm in third year. What should be my strategy? So each and everything you can discuss with me on this WhatsApp number. If you want to call me, you can call me on this number. And kindly subscribe this Telegram channel, Negi 10, because here I'm uploading all the links of my classes. I'm uploading all the notes, all the material, everything I'm uploading on this Negi 10 Telegram channel. This is one stop solution as far as notes are concerned or books are concerned. Okay, now look at here, my friend. Those who are in semester 3, wonderful thing, my friend. For semester 3 students, we are having the beginners batch, we are having the explore batch. So immediately you can join, my friend, because you are not having now that much time, because your first attempt will be in 2022. So you are not having too much of time. So you can join immediately the explore batch or beginners batch by using Negi 10 code. For fifth semester students, I'm starting next month. Next month, I'm starting heat transfer subject for you people. And the beauty of this semester 3 and semester 5 batches are that your subjects will be running parallelly according to your academics. And this is Mission Gate and ESC. But a last chance, I am putting last call. अब नहीं तो कभी नहीं. अगर आपने अब ज्वाइन नहीं किया तो बहुत लेट हो जाएगी. You will be in huge trouble if you are not joining within few days, because the moment August is over, the moment 15th of August is over, you will be in big trouble if you haven't started your preparation. तो अगर आप serious हैं gate preparation के लिए, yes, still you are having sufficient time. 6 months are sufficient. If you are putting all your efforts, you can get some good rank in 6 months also. Okay, तो कैसे ज्वाइन करना है? You just click on GATE and ESC goal. You click on get subscription. If you are preparing for 2021 competitive exams, you can take for 1 year. Now यहाँ पर तो थोड़ा चेंज हो जाएगा. देखो मैं आपको सीधा बताता हूँ. Those who are passed out, or those who are in final year, they should take this 12-month subscription. Those who are in third year or second year, you should take this 12-month subscription. And the code which you will be applying for taking the subscription is NEGI10. Remember re baba, NEGI 10 is not just a code. NEGI 10 is not just a code. It's an emotion. It's an emotion which will be connecting me to you, which will be connecting Negi soldiers to Negi sir to Negi soldiers, which will be connecting Jhamajam classes to Jhamajam learning, which will be connecting. Are you getting to a ray? Yes. Sir, can I pay in installment? Yes, you can pay in installments also. If you are having any bank credit card, you can pay in installment. If you are having Bajaj Finserv card, you can pay in installment. Even if you are having the debit card of HDFC Bank, you can pay in installment. What are the benefits of taking the plus subscription? The moment you are taking the plus subscription, you will be eligible to see the classes of any educator any number of times, maybe live or recorded. It's your choice, but you can see all the classes. What is the beauty of plus subscription? Right now there are number of educators on Unacademy Plus who are very extraordinary. You'll be getting all the live classes, you'll be getting the batches in Hindi and English. Don't worry, the students of mine who are from Andhra, Telangana, who are from Vijayawada, Vizag, Vizianagaram, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, they need not to bother, because we are having the batches in English also. You'll be having the doubt clearing sessions also, you'll be having the weekly test also, you'll be having the practice sessions also. Look at here, some students are asking me, sir, what is the difference between YouTube and Unacademy Plus? My friends, I'm telling you, on YouTube you'll be getting only two things which we promise. You'll be getting the content, you'll be getting the PYQ. Other than this, we haven't promised to anyone. But once you are joining the Unacademy Plus, you will be having the timely completion of syllabus. First thing, your syllabus will be completed by 15th of November anyhow. Second thing, you will be getting the practice sessions, you will be getting the DPP, daily practice problems, you'll be getting the practice sessions also. What extra you people are going to get? You will be getting the doubt clearing groups also, you'll be getting the doubt clearing sessions. Remember, on Unacademy Plus, every fourth class is doubt clearing class. You'll be getting the weekly test also, you'll be getting the practice sessions. Other than PYQ, it is very important to practice the new variety of problems in order to get good rank. Once you are joining the Unacademy Plus, you will be getting 3,000 to 3,500. What I'm saying, you'll be getting 3,000 to 3,500 different variety of problems for practicing. Yes, this is the added advantage. And at the end, in the month of December and January, we will be running the revision batch also. So you'll be getting the revision batch also. So basically, in single subscription, you are getting everything. You are getting the content, you are getting the notes, you are getting the PYQ, you are getting the practice problem, you are getting the doubt solving groups, you are getting the doubts solving sessions, you are getting the test, you are getting the test series, you are getting the practice sessions, you are getting the revision also. And most importantly, you are getting the personal guidance, personal mentorship of Negi sir. The moment you are using Negi 10, you will be getting the personal guidance of mine, the person who is ranked 9th educator on Unacademy Plus, the person who is having more than 2 million watchmen, the person who is having more than 3,000 followers, the person who is having more than 1,000 dedications. And this is me and my team. The moment you are using Negi 10, you will be getting the guidance, personal guidance, personalized guidance of mine. I'm having a group where we are maintaining the plus students. So you'll be getting the personalized guidance, point to point guidance of the expert. expert like me, the person who is GATE 2019 and GATE 2020 All India Rank 1 Engineering Sciences. You'll be getting the guidance of mine, the person who has completed his MTech from IIT Bombay and the topper of the batch, and you are getting the personal guidance of the person who is teaching for GATE and ESE since 8 years. Number of students of mine are working for PSU, they are IS officer. At the same time, you'll be getting the guidance of my team also, to whom I'm leading. This is the team whom I'm leading: Aprup sir, Alok sir, Sarma sir, Viresh sir, Pallav sir, Prakhar sir, Amit sir, and the Vishal sir. So basically, the moment you are using Negi 10, you are getting so many things, so many things you will be getting. Okay, okay. Aniket, I'm putting beta. Chalo, are you clear till here? Chaliye. This is my WhatsApp details. Those who want to contact me, now you can contact me within half an hour. 8292244719. You can contact me over here. I will be happy. I will be more than happy to help you. Okay? Chalo. So those who are coming just now, my friends, we will be meeting again at 3 p.m. I will be taking the next part where I will be discussing the concept of meta center, metacentric height. I will be discussing the concept of rotational stability for floating bodies, unconstrained floating bodies. So we will meet at 3 p.m. Okay? Till then, bye, take care, and please put the thumbs up. Please put the thumbs up after the session. Thank you so much, my friends. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.